Welcome to another Python tutorial. Today, we're going to dive into the basics of Python programming by building a simple calculator program. Whether you're new to programming or just looking to brush up on your skills, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's start by creating a new Python script file in your favorite text editor or IDE. We are using Visual Studio Code. We'll name it calculator.py. This is where we'll write our calculator program. Now, let's start writing our calculator program. We'll begin by defining a function called calculator. Inside this function, we'll display options to the user for the operations they can perform: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Next, we'll prompt the user to enter their choice of operation by typing the corresponding number. We'll also ask the user to input two numbers for the calculation. Now comes the fun part. Based on the user's choice of operation, we'll perform the corresponding calculation. If the user chooses addition, we'll add the two numbers together. If they choose subtraction, we'll subtract the second number from the first, and so on for multiplication and division. Lastly, we'll add a bit of error handling to our program. We'll check if the user attempts to divide by 0, which is not allowed in mathematics. If they do, we'll display an error message instead of crashing the program. And there you have it. We've completed our simple calculator program in Python. Now, let's run the program and see it in action. We've built a simple calculator program in Python from scratch. Congratulations on completing your first Python project. Remember, this is just the beginning of your journey into the world of programming. I encourage you to explore further, experiment with different features, and challenge yourself with new projects. Python is a powerful and versatile language with endless possibilities, so keep coding and don't be afraid to make mistakes along the way. Feel free to download the code from the description below and try modifying it to add more features or improve functionality. The best way to learn is by doing, so keep practicing and pushing yourself to learn more. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Python tutorials and tech tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!